everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's so great to have you here with us today. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Really, it helps us a lot and it makes us super happy.
Yes, yes, yes. Please subscribe and like and share. Do everything. We love your support. You are amazing. And if you're new here, hello! Welcome! We're so happy you found us. This channel is all about helping you learn English through real, natural, and everyday conversations. Nothing too hard, nothing too boring, just real life.
Exactly. We want you to feel like you're sitting with us, talking like friends, learning English in a simple and fun way. So today we have a great topic, your daily routine. We're going to talk about what we do every day from the moment we wake up until we go to bed.
Yes, and maybe we'll laugh a little. Actually, probably a lot, because Jack always says something funny.
Hey, why do you always say that?
Because it's true. You're like a walking comedy show. A small one.
A small comedy show? Wow, okay, I'll remember that.
I'm just joking. You know I love you.
I know. Okay, let's get started. So Maya, tell me, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing? Well, the first thing I do every morning is try to open my eyes. And it's very difficult. Very, very difficult. I feel like my eyes are glued shut.
Same. Every morning I think, do I really have to get up? Can I sleep more? Just 5 more minutes.
Yes, but those 5 minutes become 20 minutes.
And then you're late.
Every time.
So after you wake up, slowly, very slowly, what do you do?
Well, I grab my phone. I know, it's a bad habit, but I do it every day. I check messages, social media, everything. And I always think, why am I doing this at 7 a.m.? But I do it anyway.
I do the same. I tell myself every night, tomorrow morning I will not touch my phone. I will get up immediately. And then morning comes, and I'm scrolling.
We are all the same. Humans are funny.
Very funny. So after your morning phone checking ritual, what happens next?
I finally leave my bed, usually very slowly. I stretch my arms, stretch my legs, and say, okay, Maya, let's do this. You can do it. You are strong. I give myself a little motivational speech.
A little pep talk?
Yes, a pep talk to survive the morning.
I think I need that too. Maybe I should stand up and say, come on, Jack, you can do this. You are a morning hero.
Yes, say it like a superhero.
I'm imagining it now, and I look very silly.
You always look silly.
Hey!
I'm joking. Again.
Okay. So after your pep talk, what next?
I go to the bathroom and wash my face. That moment is beautiful. The cold water wakes me up and I finally feel alive.
Yes, that cold water slap. Like, hello, wake up.
Exactly. And after that, I brush my teeth.
Good, I'm glad. It would be a problem if you didn't.
Oh, stop it. Of course I brush my teeth.
Just checking.
And after brushing my teeth, I make my bed. I like my bed neat and clean.
Really? You make your bed in the morning? I never do that.
Never?
Never.
Jack, you are an adult. Make your bed.
No, it's too much work.
It takes 1 minute.
1 minute too long.
Oh my God, you need help.
I know.
I will send you morning reminders. Jack, make your bed.
Please don't.
I will.
I'm scared.
You should be.
Okay, moving on. After making your bed, what do you do?
Breakfast time, my favorite time.
What do you usually eat?
I like something simple, maybe an egg or some toast or yogurt with fruit, sometimes oatmeal. But coffee is a must. Without coffee, I am not human.
Oh yes, Maya, without coffee is scary.
Hey, what do you mean?
You get angry.
Do I?
Yes. One time you said good morning, but it sounded like leave me alone.
Oh no. no, I don't remember that.
You were half asleep.
Then maybe it was not me. It was my evil morning twin.
Ah, that makes sense. The evil Maya.
She only appears before coffee.
Understandable.
What about you? Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. It's the only thing that gives me energy. Without coffee, I move like a turtle.
A baby turtle.
Yes, a baby turtle wearing heavy shoes.
That is very slow.
Very, very slow.
So after coffee, what do you do?
I cook breakfast. Sometimes eggs, sometimes cereal, sometimes nothing.
Nothing? Why nothing?
Sometimes I'm late.
Because you don't make your bed and you check your phone too long.
Maybe.
I see the problem.
I don't want to talk about it.
Fine, continue.
After breakfast, I take a shower, and that helps me wake up fully.
Same. Showers are magical.
After showering, I get dressed, usually something simple. I don't spend a lot of time choosing clothes.
I spend time. Too much time. I look in my closet and think, what should I wear today? And then I change 3 times.
3 times?
Sometimes more.
How?
I don't know. It just happens.
I pick the first thing I see.
I wish I could do that. But my brain says, no. Try again.
Your brain is very fashionable.
Maybe.
So what happens after you finally choose your clothes?
I check my bag. Wallet, phone, keys. I always check twice.
Me too. I always think I forgot something.
Yes, and when you check, you say, phone, wallet, keys, like a little song.
Exactly. It's my morning mantra.
Then I leave the house and start my day.
Do you usually go to work, or do you sometimes work from home?
Sometimes I work from home. Sometimes I go to the office. When I go to the office, I take the bus or walk if the weather is nice.
I love walking in the morning. It's peaceful.
Yes, except when there are too many cars.
Or too many people.
Or too many birds.
Birds?
Yes, some birds are scary.
Maya, what birds are you meeting?
Big ones.
You mean pigeons?
Yes, pigeons are scary.
Maya, pigeons just walk around looking for food.
And they walk very confidently. Too confidently, like they own the street.
I can't stop laughing.
It's true. They don't move. You walk, they stay. You move, they stay.
They're brave.
Too brave.
Okay. So when you arrive at the office, what do?
I turn on my computer, check emails, and make a to-do list. I like to be organized.
Me too. A to-do list helps me calm down.
Yes, because sometimes you feel like, oh no, I have too much to do. But when you write it, it looks smaller.
Exactly.
And you? What's your morning at work like?
Well, after I arrive, I usually say hi to my coworkers. Then I check emails, answer messages, and start working on projects.
Do you eat a morning snack?
Yes, around 10 a.m., I usually eat a banana or something small.
Same, because breakfast disappears quickly.
Yes, breakfast is weak.
Breakfast needs more power.
Agreed.
And after morning work?
Then comes lunchtime, my favorite part of the day.
Mine too. What do you usually eat?
Sometimes I bring food from home, sometimes I buy something. Sandwiches, soup, salad.
I like bringing food from home. Saves money.
And it tastes better.
Yes, homemade food is love.
After lunch, I usually feel a little sleepy.
Me too. It's the famous after-lunch sleepiness.
The struggle is real.
Very real.
But after a few minutes, I feel better and continue working.
Same. And the afternoon goes faster than the morning.
Always. Why is that?
I don't know. Time is strange.
After work, what do you do?
Sometimes I go to the gym, sometimes I meet friends, sometimes I go home and relax. It depends on the day.
Do you enjoy the gym?
Yes, it helps me feel strong and healthy. What about you?
I go sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay, maybe not sometimes. Maybe rarely.
Jack.
I know. I need to go more.
Yes, I will add it to your reminders. Jack, make your bed and go to the gym.
This is becoming scary.
It's good for you.
Maybe.
But anyway, after the gym, I go home, take a shower, and prepare dinner.
What do you like to cook?
Pasta, rice dishes, soup, vegetables, simple stuff.
I like making pasta too. Easy and delicious.
Yes, and after dinner, I clean the kitchen a little, then I relax.
What do you do to relax?
I watch a series, read a book, listen to music. Sometimes I call my family.
I also like calling my family in the evening. It makes me feel connected.
Yes, family time is important.
And after relaxing?
I start my night routine. I wash my face, brush my teeth, prepare my clothes for the next day. Then I get into bed.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Yes, but I'm trying to stop.
Me too. I always say 5 minutes, and then it becomes 1 hour.
Same. Why are humans like this?
I don't know. We are complicated.
Very complicated.
And then finally,
Yes, sleep.
the best part.
The best.
So that's our daily routine. It's simple but real, and that's exactly why we talk about it here, because on this channel, we focus on real, everyday English.
Yes, you learn English best from real conversations, real life, real jokes, real pigeons.
The brave pigeons.
The bravest.
Thank you so much for listening today. We loved having you here with us.
Yes, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and share this podcast. It helps us grow and continue making more fun English lessons for you.
And tell us in the comments, what is your daily routine?
We want to read your answers, really.
Have a great day, everyone.
Bye, see you next time.